Hey, I'm Jason, and this is your daily action. In school, you were taught that learning meant memorization. This greatly reduces your sales IQ because when you learn from the experts, you tend to recite what they say, but never really gain the wisdom that they offer. One way that I overcome this is to use action learning. It's a 3-step process. Here's how it goes. Step 1, you're going to want to memorize the words just like always. Step 2, memorize the way in which the words are delivered. And step 3, pretend you're the customer and write down every reason or situation that this would work with you. You'll have a greater understanding, you'll be able to translate into your words and your industry. Start using action learning today, and it'll become an exciting new part of your sales toolbox. Thanks for watching. Hit me up if you want to learn more and make today the best day of your life.